How to short a stock on Freetrade. Freetrade is a UK-based financial technology company that offers commission-free stock and ETF investing through a user-friendly app with various account options like ISA and SIPP. As of now, Freetrade does not offer the ability to short stocks on its platform. Freetrade is designed primarily as a commission-free investment app focused on long-term investing in stocks and ETFs, and it explicitly does not support short selling or margin trading. This aligns with its mission to encourage straightforward, accessible investing rather than complex trading strategies like shorting. That's it. Thanks for watching.